Hello, how are you doing? Paul here in Whitehaven. Now behind me are buses, but they're not ordinary buses, they're Leyland National buses, and this year marks the 50th anniversary of them rolling off the production line just up the road at Lillyhall. And in celebration of that fact, the Workington Heritage Transport Trust have put a weekend on down here at Whitehaven Marina. There's buses coming from all over the country. There's going to be stalls, there's a Continental market. I'm going to be here all weekend filming bits and pieces, so apologies if there's a lot of continuity errors, like me changing clothes, the weather changing, lots of people, no people, that kind of thing. That's why I'm here all weekend, to check out these buses and have a look around. There's going to be over 30 buses kicking around on static display, and also they're going to be doing tours around the town centre, and they're going to be taking trips out to the old bus factory at Lillyhall. Should be a good weekend. Let's check it out. Did you ever want to pull one of them when you were a kid? I did. Every time you see a bus at a set of traffic lights, you always used to think, what happens if you run up and just pull that cable? Stop the engine. I'm sure people will have done that at some point. Absolutely certain of it. This one is the Suburban Express. Beautifully restored and looked after. It's interesting seeing all the old bus company names that we've forgotten, like Northern, Cumberland, East Yorkshire, Ribble. National Express. Of course, National Express is still on the go. Not just buses here today, there's a couple of other vintage vehicles. Now, I'm old enough to remember these things being on the roads. Not quite these, I don't think. But they are pretty cool. Beautiful condition.
Of Whitehaven, children, friends and visitors from all countries, faiths and cultures, welcome to our beautiful town of Whitehaven. Be advised, the Continental market, offering a range of culinary delights from around the world, is present today on our harbour. While there, stay and visit the vintage public transport display supplied by the Leyland National Group. Visit our town and enjoy the established businesses, especially those supporting charities for all causes. Your spending is vital to build a vibrant town. But for the moment, stay and enjoy the musicality of the Cleatamore Brass Band under the band mastery of David Murdoch. And if you can, attend their prize bingo tonight at Cleatamore Civic Hall. Please do so at 6:30. All this on the 30th of April in the year of our Lord 2022, under the reign of Queen Elizabeth II. God save the Queen, England and St. George.
Leyland National was built between 1972 and 1985. It changed from the Leyland National to the Leyland National 2 in 1979. Just slight differences on the front and engines, I believe. You can get this one to the Metro Centre. Big double decker. It says here, look. Ask the driver for a transfer. This one here is an old London bus.
Oh, you're all right. Just setting up.
Bit of a difference on this one is it's got centre doors. See the centre doors on that one, because that's an old London bus, even though it is from the Isle of Man, as you can see by the flag. But that one, London bus. What's this one here? This is. No, is this the computer bus? Yeah, it says computer bus, but when I've looked through the windows, it's done out like it's like a mobile home inside. It's got like a bedroom and a kitchen, and it's been converted into like a camper. That's pretty cool. I suppose they're big enough to do a camper in, aren't they? I'm not going to peer through the window because I think somebody actually lives in it, but you can see the back of a sofa there. Here in the Beacon Portal, there is an exhibition about the Leyland National. So let's go check it out. I don't think them guys are too friendly. Yeah. Don't get too close to the geese. Some models of the buses there and some old badges. I believe that this is actually off that crash-tested vehicle there. You can't mention the Leyland National without mentioning the train that was derived from it. The old pacer train there, like the rail bus. Basically just a bus on wheels. On rails, sorry. So these are the original brochures then?
Yes, they are, yeah.
From the 70s?
Yep.
Wow.
Yeah, it's all for sale.
That's
right now.
quite unique, that, isn't it?
Yeah, they probably are. They're all, say, brand new. They're not.
Yeah. Not recreations or anything, no.
Oh no.
No.
In fact, I've got some original 1930s ones there, but.
Wow.
Tiger. Tiger. It's a rare one. Gnu.
A canoe.
And Leyland Tiger. 1939.
British Leyland buses for Bangkok.
Yeah, it's like a proposal to
Is
a
it?
bus company. It's got shows. I don't know what the date is, but it shows all the whole bus range available at the time.
Right.
So, what do you think might be suitable?
Piece of concrete.
So again, that would just be a one-off. That.
Yeah.
So just the hand stuck in.
Yeah, it's just like a sales brochure, really.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is really,
Yeah.
yeah, it is really.
Yeah.
It's local to me, Fishworks.
This one.
That was a Leyland company, Leyland town company.
Yeah.
So they were right on Leyland's doorstep.
Yeah. That exhibition was really good. Hello, Phoebe.
Hello.
Hello. That exhibition was really good, especially like the old sales brochures for the buses and the sales pitch for Bangkok there. The guy kindly gave me one of these old leaflets here, which I'm going to enjoy looking at later. Leyland bus. That's cool. There's a few stalls here selling all kinds of different things. Look at all these models. Buses here along the front, but all kinds of other toy cars. I'm going to have to go in and have a look. All these loads and loads of little Die-cast models. Oh look, there's a VW bus there, look.
Not Blue Star Omni Deckers. Seriously, there's only Nationals on the top.
That one there's like an old model, like fairground ride. And another one. Transport books and DVDs on this stall. Now the reason these were taken out of service, these old Leyland Nationals, oh look at this one, Super National. The reason they were taken out of service was because of the step. As you step up into them, they changed the legislation around access to buses, and you could no longer have a stepped access onto a bus. So that sort of took all these old buses out of service back in the early noughties, I think that was. This is a Super National. I wonder what makes it super. You can't really see inside, but it's got some kind of like unique kind of bespoke luxury interior. That's the Super National.
Did you?
Continental market in full swing here. Lots of nice smelling foodstuffs. I could be tempted. Ice cream, smoothies, toasties. That smells delicious. This is where you get on the trips. This bus here is going to the park and ride. The green one is doing the town. So no, that's doing the factory tour. It says on the front. That's the one that's going to the factory. And the white one behind is doing the tour of the town centre. That one's going to Morecambe. This one's going to Flamingo Land. I fancy Flamingo Land myself. Not a bus, but that is a pretty smart boat. It's probably not called a boat, it's probably called a yacht or a ship or a schooner or something. I'm not good with boats. Pretty smart though, that one. I've just got myself a kangaroo burger, cheese, onions and hot chili sauce. Let's give it a go. Very nice. What have you got, Fabes? Chicken, cheese and bacon and hot dog. Oh, go on, get stuck in. Go on. Ice cream for pudding. We'll try and keep it out of the way of the birds. Multicoloured slush for Thebes. Very nice. Double rum and raisin. My favourite. Right, there's only one thing left to do, and I think that is to take a family bus trip around the town on one of the old buses. Let's go and see if we can find one to get on. Go. It's a double decker, so we've got to go upstairs, haven't we? We've got to go upstairs if it's a double decker. The wheels on the bus go round and... No. No, I tried.
Volvo Olympian, which was new to Cleveland Transit, just on the stagecoach takeover. Now as you get on, you'll notice that it's one of the first buses to have disability access features, such as easy to grab rails, high visibility bells and easy to push bells, and on the bottom when you came in there's like a recessed floor, right? And of course these zigzags on the stairs for people with impaired visibility. Now of course you have low floors, ramps that come out and all sorts of things, you know? This was one of a batch of 5. 5 of them to Teesside and an extra 3 which went to Kingston upon Hull. In 1997, when this was withdrawn, it was transferred down to Hull and then off to East Midlands, and then they were dispersed out of area. We bought this from a little operator called Red Kite, who was so far down south I can't even remember where it is. I don't think it's past what. We bought it back in 2019 and we've had it restored professionally, but there's still other little bits and pieces to do to it. So enjoy your ride on this one today.
Yeah, but that doesn't wash. What are you saying?
Well, that has been a very enjoyable weekend down here in Whitehaven for the Leyland National 50 event. We've had a great time, had a look at some iconic buses, took a ride around the town, seen some great displays. Congratulations to the organisers for putting on such a fantastic event. That'll do for now though. That is it from me for this video. I will catch you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe for more videos from in and around Cumbria and the Lakes. Until next time, I'll see you. Bye bye.